Hello everyone. Today I will be giving an unboxing and review of the ProtoArc XK01 TP, and this is the blue edition. This is a foldable portable keyboard with a touchpad included. I've already unboxed this just to make sure everything was working in proper order before I actually did this video, just to make sure I'm not wasting any of your time. So to start with, the box has almost like a textured finish to it. The keyboard, as you can see, has somewhat of a glossy look to it. Outside of the box, I mean, does look premium to a certain degree. Now the inside, of course, not so much, but not to insult anybody's intelligence, but you all can read here. Okay, and then we'll get inside the box. So you pull it out, it's just a normal cardboard box here that says business travel, and then the ProtoArc name there, nothing on the underside. Okay, first thing you get when you open the box is this is a thank you card slash welcome letter to the ProtoArc family from the designer and also the creative team for ProtoArc. So I'll get to that here in just a moment. I'll show you this part here. This is basically a sticker that they give you to put on the back side of the keyboard or the underside of the keyboard. That way, whenever you have to have warranty, hopefully that'll never happen, but if you need it, it has the contact information across here. I already put that sticker on the keyboard, and I'll show you that here in just a moment. The rest of this, I mean, it's just a large sticker. This is the only parts you really need. Next part is the quick intro to the keyboard here. Has a 2-year premium warranty. That's actually a really good warranty for this type of keyboard. Quick start guide, straight to the point. And then here you have your keyboard in the case. I'll get to that in a second. Last thing in the box is your charging cable. So the charging cable is a USB-A to a USB-C cable. I'm going to end up using just a USB-C to a USB-C cable. That way I can just carry one cable to charge all of my peripherals versus having to carry multiple cables. I wish manufacturers would get more on board with having USB-C to USB-C, especially with that becoming the norm across the board. But regardless, they give you a charging cable. Inside this case, which is, it's got the ProtoArc emblem here. This is a leatherette type case with a little bit of a textured finish. It is certainly not leather, but I mean, it's nice that they include it. On the back side of the case, you have the kickstand, which if you have a folding phone that such as the Galaxy Fold or something like that, or even an iPad mini or an iPad that doesn't have a case that props it up, this is a kickstand where you could set this up and use this to set up the screen for typing. And that goes right back in here. And then inside the case, this is just a magnetic closure, so it's not really a normal button. And then in here you have the keyboard in this plastic bag. And then right here, this is where I put the sticker for the warranty. So if I ever have to get warranty for my keyboard, it'll be right here. So in case I don't have the paperwork with me, if I'm not home or if I'm traveling and I need to access the warranty to start getting that started, then I have it right here. So when you open it up, very nice keyboard. I'm certainly not a person that uses a tablet for daily working tasks or admin tasks such as typing in Word documents, typing up notes on a tablet. I do that primarily from my phone. But with that being said, I mean, this right here would definitely give me more of a reason to actually use my tablet for typing up those things versus just having to pull out my laptop. When you first open it up, the Bluetooth light will start blinking up here. I have already reset the connection, so it's probably going to time out before I have a chance to show you guys how I pair it. So when you first open up the keyboard, the Bluetooth light right here will begin blinking. Once it starts blinking, you can open up whatever device you're pairing this to, and it should show up as the ProtoArc XK01 TP. Once you pair it, it is a seamless pairing after that. So as soon as you open it up, it'll start reading your device's Bluetooth and it'll connect straight to it. And then you have corresponding numbers over here, 1, 2, and 3. That corresponds over here to these Bluetooth buttons, 1, 2, and 3. So you can pair this up to 3 different devices simultaneously. So if you're multitasking or moving across different devices, you can switch using those buttons, and then whatever one you're connected to, these lights up here will illuminate to show you which Bluetooth you're on. And then right here is the indicator showing you that you have power. So for the trackpad, you would, if you want to click up here, you would really have to put pressure on it. As you can hear the clicking, you would really have to put pressure. It's a lot more sensitive as you get further into this corner. This does offer multi-touch gestures, so you can use 2 fingers for scrolling. You could use 3 fingers to switch between windows, or 2 fingers tapping would actually help you right click. And then you can also double tap to double click, and then single tap to single click. So you don't necessarily have to use the clicks on here, but if you are the person that likes that tactile function, then it's certainly there for you to use. As far as the keyboard goes, I mean, it is a nice typing experience. There is some, it's certainly not a gaming keyboard, but I mean, it does have some feedback whenever you type on the keyboard. So I mean, it feels good to me. May not be the same for everybody, but overall, it's a really great keyboard. And after this, I will show you guys the pairing process once I get it paired to my iPad, and you can see how it pairs up to my iPad and how you can use it, such as making notes or using a Word document. Okay, so once you have your keyboard open, if for some reason it is not going directly into the pairing process, the number 1 here, if it is the first time you're using the keyboard, should start blinking to show that it's beginning the pairing process. If that is not doing it, either your keyboard may have lost battery before you got it and it just needs to be charged, or you just tap this number 1 button corresponding to the number 1 over here. You'll see the light start blinking, and then you'll go into your device and you will see it pop up as ProtoArc XK01 TP. As soon as it sees it, I will pair it. Okay, so I opened up a Microsoft Word document here, and then I will start typing. The keys are placed relatively a good distance apart from one another. On other keyboards I've used in the past, I would more than once hit 2 keys at the same time because of how close the keys are together. But on this keyboard, I have not found that to be a problem. And then of course you have your trackpad over here. If you had a Windows tablet or a Windows PC or a Windows laptop or even a Mac computer, this would work completely fine. So no issues here. You have your multi-touch gestures, which if I had more than 1 page, you would be able to see that here. If I use the 3-finger swipe, you'll see that it lets me change the windows. So overall, this ProtoArc keyboard is very good for the money, especially for what they include in the package. I thank you all for this opportunity to show you this unboxing review. Please comment, like, subscribe, and thank you all, and have a great day.